everyone, I'm Barbara with NurseToNature. If you're listening to this, I don't think it's an accident. I think that this video reached you for a reason. You're probably wondering what I'm doing in this video. Well, I'm actually freezing some food I made in large batches and then I vacuum seal it. I feel like this was the perfect moment to share what this space and channel is meant to be. This channel isn't about perfection. It's not about hustle, comparison, or negativity. I've decided to focus more on women because I truly believe women hold an incredible amount of power. I mean, think about it. We're the nurturers, the caretakers, the healers, the ones who love deeply, even when it costs us something. I'll also be sharing health and wellness information that I've personally researched and tried. For example, you'll notice the food in this video is yellow. That's because I try and add turmeric to any and everything that I can. It is such a healing spice and has so many benefits to our body. I recently learned about its ability to break up biofilm. Biofilm is this little matrix of organisms that can live in your gut. It's very resistant to any antibiotics or anything like that. It harbors microorganisms that can keep you staying sick. And I learned when you take turmeric, it helps to break that up. So this is just kind of the information that I'm wanting to share with you guys. So if you do have any health struggles or anything like that, you can learn about different things so that way you can research it on your own and see if this is a good option for you. This channel isn't about fads or trends. It's about real studies, peer-reviewed research that helps inform how I think and what I share with you. If this video reached you, I'm really hoping that you might be the kind of community I'm seeking. I believe the people who need a space like this tend to find it when they're ready. I want this channel to add value to your life, whether that looks like a new wellness tip or providing a different way of thinking about health that empowers you. Don't get me wrong, I'm not here pretending that I have it all figured out. I still have my own health challenges and I still have hard days. But my heart is set on creating a more grounded and healed life, which I believe everyone can benefit from. And like most of us, I didn't come into this life without hurt, patterns, or pain that needed unlearning. And this channel is part of that process for me. Unlearning what I was taught out of fear and relearning based on my own values, beliefs, and lived experiences. If you're interested in deeper conversations around wellness and intentional living, you can explore previous podcast episodes at NurseToNature.com or listen on Spotify. I believe that finding the right community does take time, but if you're here, maybe this is the beginning of something meaningful. If you've stayed till the end, please subscribe so that way you can follow along with me and my family, and we can build a community that is here to help each other.